Hey guys, so I want to bring you this video to talk to you about two mistakes that people make a lot of times when they do fishtails. One of them is the fact that this braid is simply just a figure eight. All you do is take the two sides and you wrap one lock around each side. So sometimes we may want to add a lock on, let's say, the left side, and I'm not on the left side yet. And so we might just skip and add that lock without completing the figure eight pattern. So this is a common mistake that most people make, which I'm going to illustrate here in just a second. I'm going to show you that I'm over the right and under the left side now. And then I'm under, right, and over. And I need to come under again here. And then I can do over on the left. However, a lot of people would have just added that one without finishing under, okay? The other thing I want you to notice is that I always leave a little space for my one that's coming over now. So when I add one that's over, it always goes right after the last one that went over, not the one that I have in my hand now. So it'll look like the one I have in my hand went over, but I kind of slide back just a little bit to allow room for the new lock to come in. So watch it again. Watch this video again and notice that when I go over, that lock is right under the lock that is over, the last over. You have to move out of the way and put the new lock in the place where it actually goes. If you have any questions, hit the button.